guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sharee, and today I'll be showing you guys how I installed this hair from Mstoxic Hair. It's a 13x6 frontal. It's 20 inches and I freaking love this hair. The only thing I don't like about this hair, it has a lot of short hairs, like human hairs, like breakage all around it. That's the only thing I have that I don't like about this hair. It did not shed at all when I washed it and bleached it. It bleached perfectly. Like, you don't see this scalp? What? Nobody can tell me this is not my hair. And yes, I got my nails done yesterday, so I'm gonna be like in my videos, you know. This is the longest I ever gotten. I almost forgot. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe. So let's get started. So the first thing I did was do a ball cap method. This is my first time ever doing a ball cap. So if you guys want to see a video of how I did this ball cap, I'll surely upload it. So right now I'm trying to make sure the wig is not lopsided, like one side is longer than the other. I'm trying to fit the wig perfectly to my head. And if you guys can hear, that in the background, it is raining and I apologize for that, but it's nothing I could do about Mother Nature. So I use a wax stick to slip back the front of the hair, and now I'm hot combing the hair to make sure all the baby hairs and flyaways are pushed back and won't be getting in any of my lace glue or anything like that. Next we'll be cleaning our forehead with alcohol. Then we're going to be applying 2 layers of scalp protector to protect our skin from any of the glue that we're going to be putting on today, because we don't want our edges or skin snatched by any lace glue or anything. So it's very highly recommended to use a scalp protector to protect your skin. Today I'll be using the ESHA Absolute Lace Glue, and this is going to be my first time using this glue, so I will be coming back with another video on how long this lace glue lasts on my head. Hopefully it lasts a week, but I will show you guys the final results after a week. And now I'm cutting slits into the hair so it's easier to paste down once I put the glue down. So I will be applying 2 layers of this glue all over my head. I'm using a comb to press the lace into the glue to give it a more seamless look.
All the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks.
I used a silk ribbon to tie down the front of the hair for 6 minutes so the lace could have a little time, a little melt moment, you could say, a little melt moment.
Before you go to sleep, keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. To start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're not lost. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. To start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. To start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began.
So I did my edges off camera because I had a hard time looking in the mirror because since it was so far away, I couldn't really see what I was doing. So I did it off camera.
You won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground until you get lost.
So here you will see me trying to or attempting to curl my hair with a flat iron. It didn't end up going as planned. So what I did was I straightened the hair, got it really hot, and then wrapped it around flexi rods to create a curl pattern.
They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Just start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're not lost. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're not They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't hand if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Just start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down.
I put some what's it called, like baby oil with some highlighter, because one of my highlighters broke, so I mixed that up and oh, my skin looks nice. I'm wearing this type of dress and it goes down to like right here to your knees. I'm using a 50mm lens today, so I can't really zoom out, and I'm about to go, so I'm not gonna switch up the lens just to show you guys the outfit, but I'll show you guys some pictures of when I'm hanging out with my friends. I might do a vlog, don't know yet, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.